Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Carnival versus Celebrity cruise lines. Carnival and Celebrity are both cruise lines I have cruised many times over the years. Let's just say I've been cruising so long that my first ship was Celebrity's very first cruise ship, the SS Meridian, when I was a little girl. And I also cruised the Carnival Holiday for those of you that remember. I love both lines and both lines have very different vibes to them. Carnival is owned by Carnival Corporation, while Celebrity is owned by Royal Caribbean Group. Recently, I did a comparison video of Carnival versus Royal Caribbean, so I'll include that link in the description below. Carnival seems to have more of a party vibe, while Celebrity seems to be geared more towards a relaxed crowd. The demographics for each tend to be different as well. Carnival tends to appeal more towards families, while Celebrity appeals more towards adults. Costs can be different as well, with Celebrity tending to be the more expensive of the two options. While both cruise lines have kids clubs, Celebrity tends to gear their activities more towards adults. Carnival has more activities available to children, such as the Dr. Seuss breakfast. Celebrity also tends to offer more diverse options and much more subdued options in their onboard activities. These activities might include mixology classes and lectures, while Carnival tends to offer a more adventurous or more energetic offering of activities such as water slides, roller coasters, and ropes courses on board. Overall, I would recommend either line, and the cruise line you choose will depend on what your individual needs and preferences are. Each has a specific clientele that they appeal to and very unique opportunities. So, seasoned cruisers, do you have an opinion on which cruise line you think is better? We would love to hear your opinions below. And as always, bon voyage!